Hey everybody, today I would love to introduce you to one of my teammates, Gabby Toselli. We call her Gabby here at the office. And Gabby is a special part of our team. She's been with me for about 3 years now, and she has taken the role of not only to qualify clients to purchase a home, but she is our refinance expert. So Gabby loves helping people, helping family get into homes. But also in this type of market, we're doing a lot of refinances, and Gabby has learned the refinances in and out, and she's going to tell us today a little bit about what she does with refinances, the different kinds of refinances, and what we're working with today. So, Gabby, it's a pleasure to be interviewing you today.
Thank you.
So, tell us a little bit about Gabby.
So I've been with Patrick for almost 3 years now. Like you said, I've taken over the role of being the refinance specialist in the office. I love helping people qualify to purchase and to refinance. I find it really rewarding. I love figuring out if you can save money or how much equity you can get. So I just love it.
So in today's market, if you haven't heard, I mean, this has been going on for years now about refinancing your mortgage. Our rates are not at their all-time low anymore, but they're still historically very, very low. So we do all types of refinances here. So Gabby, tell us a couple of the types of refinances that we do.
So we have a rate and term refinance, which is just lowering your interest rate. You could drop into a shorter term if you'd like, basically just saving money. Another type of refinance is a cash out refinance, which is what we're encouraging our borrowers to do with this crazy market. Everyone's home's values have gone up, so it's a great time to take advantage and pull that equity out of your home.
Yeah, so the cash out refinance, we've kind of shifted our focus on that because the values of homes have gotten so high that you can actually refinance your mortgage. You can lower your interest rate, pull the equity out of your home, and you can take that equity and you can pay off debts. You can rehab the house.
You can pay off your HELOC, you can pay off student loans, you can pay off credit card debt. You can remodel your kitchen, get a new roof. Honestly, you can do whatever you'd like, and the options are endless. So.
And you can still keep your payment down low. Now, there's another type of refinancing that we're doing right now because in this market, a lot of our clients are having to actually pay cash for houses to win the bid, okay, to win the contract. So once a client does pay cash for the house, if you're fortunate enough to have the cash at hand to do that, then what do we do after the fact, Gabby?
So it's technically a cash out refinance, but it's called delayed financing. So if you've purchased your home cash within the first 6 months of being on title, you can actually get up to 80% of the appraised value in equity. Like I said, it's basically a cash out refinance. There's just a couple of guidelines we have to follow, but it's a great way to get that house now, not lose out on it, and then get some money out of it later on.
Yeah, just to pull your investment back out. So that's become a real popular program that we're doing now because it's definitely hard to win a contract. So if you have the cash, and sometimes that cash is coming from investments, it's coming from stocks, bonds, 401ks, retirements, things like that. And there's some guidelines in there that we know about that you can actually take money out of these investments. Okay, and you won't be penalized. You have to get it back in a certain amount of time, and that's where we come in, is to pull that money back out, give it back to you so you can put it back into your investments, like your 401k and stuff like that. So what are, Gabby, cash out? So there's another refinance program that we're doing right now to help people rehab their houses. So tell us a little bit about that, the rehab refinance program.
Yeah. So with a rehab renovation loan, you can actually take out more equity of your home. What the appraiser will do is they will appraise the value of your house based off of what you are going to do to your home. So if you're going to remodel your kitchen, make upgrades to your roof or whatever, the appraiser is going to go off of what you're going to do.
Yeah, the value after the repairs have been done. And this is a popular refinance right now because if we just give you the cash out on a cash out refinance, then you're limited to 80% of the value of the house. But in our renovation program, we'll actually go up to 95% of the appraised value. And we do the value as if those repairs have already been done. So the house is actually worth more. So you can do 95%. And that's called a renovation loan. And that's been a very popular loan right now that we've been doing. So Gabby, what are all of these refinances? Are they available on all of the loans that we do?
Yes, good question. So we actually offer refinances on your primary home, second home, investment property, and it's for all loan types, so conventional, FHA, and VA.
Good. And then the other popular thing that we're doing with refinances right now are we have a lot of investors who are doing cash out refinance on their primary home and yet also on their investment properties. They're pulling the cash out of those properties and they're purchasing more properties, okay? Because I don't know about you guys right now, but you know, the values of houses are going up, but rents have gone up substantially. And because of that, if you're an investor and you have rental properties, you can cash flow pretty good right now with the price of, you know, with the rents right now, they're being so high. So that is another popular thing that we're doing right now. So Gabby, we're one big happy family here. We love helping out families get into homes. Can you think of one special family that you helped out over the years that has really touched your heart and just meant a lot to you?
Yeah, so when I first started working here about 3 years ago, I helped a young couple purchase their first home, and they actually came back to me personally about 6 months ago and said, "Hey, do you remember me? We want to refinance." I said, "Of course I remember you." So that was really great that people do remember you personally. Sorry, Patrick, but it's, you know, it's nice. So
it actually fills my heart when a client comes back and asks for one of my teammates, so it means a lot to me.
Yeah.
And Gabby does really care. And Gabby, do we tell a lot of people it's not a good time to refinance?
yes. So we're 100% honest. We will let you know if you should do it, if you shouldn't, if you should wait. We definitely take your interest at heart. So we're not.
And what's our big word we call it? Return on investment.
Yes, return
okay?
on investment.
So doing a refinance definitely costs money. Okay? You're adding funds to your mortgage. So we want to make sure it makes sense for you to do this, okay?
Yes.
And we turn down, or we tell a lot of people, we don't recommend that you do a refinance right now. It just doesn't make sense, okay? So we will let you know if it makes sense or not to do a refinance. But in this market right now, I will tell you the interest rates are doing what?
They're going up.
They're going up, and they're going up really fast, okay? So with that said, we need everyone, if you're interested, please give us a call, and we would love to see if it's worth you doing a refinance, as any types of these refinance. Gabby, thank you so much. It's been a pleasure hanging with you.
Yep, thank you for having me.
Please give us a call if we can help you out with any of your refinance needs.